In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reduce input lag here on your ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're getting input delay, it's usually because of low FPS. For example, a game like Call of Duty Black Ops 7 pushes the system pretty hard. Lower FPS obviously means a slower response time, and a slower response time obviously means input delay. So when you press jump or shoot, there may be a slight delay before it actually happens. That's what I'm fixing in this video. The biggest fix that you're going to want to do first is actually in your command center. So go down, open up your command center, and once you're in your command center, go to settings and specifically go into performance. And what you're going to want to do is go over to turbo for your operating mode. Make sure that this is on here. Turbo is going to give your system a lot more power. Yes, it will use more battery, but if you're plugged in, this is 100% the way to go. Even if the game isn't super demanding, turbo is going to reduce so much delay instantly. And by default, you're probably also on 1080p as well. I'd recommend, if you're playing handheld, switching to 900p or even 720p, just because on a 7-inch screen the difference is barely noticeable, but the FPS boost is noticeable. On top of that, go to your settings and just change your FPS limit from 60 FPS to 120 or max, whatever it might be for you. The higher your FPS, the lower your input delay. Even if you don't hit 120 constantly, raising the cap will help responsiveness. But also, you got to make sure that your display is also set to 120 Hz, not 60 Hz. If you leave it on 60 Hz, you're limiting performance. On top of that, if you are using a Bluetooth controller, make sure it's close to the console or try reconnecting it. Or what you can also do is wire it directly as well. But if you're still having issues, try playing handheld instead. Quick summary, turbo mode, turn that on, 720p or 900p resolution, 120 FPS cap, as well as 120 Hz refresh rate, and of course, keep your controller closer to your device. Do all this and your Xbox Ally X will feel so much more responsive. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.